So after much deliberation and the fact that last night was such a horrible tent camping experience and all the Joshua Tree campsites were full, we have gave in. We have ridden to the bottom of the hill and found a Motel 6. So about 90 bucks tonight. We're gonna be staying, have a shower, have a bed, have a pool, maybe get some pizza, beer, just hang out and relax in preparation for tomorrow, which is gonna be a long riding day getting back to Vegas. So a little bummed that we're getting towards the tail end of our trip, but still have some riding to do, so that's good. So this is our room at the Motel 6. We're all gonna cram in here with 2 queens. Here's the bathroom, which we'll all be taking a shower separately. Gonna take a shower, get some pizza, maybe a couple cold drinks, play some cards, just relax tonight. All right, we've decided to get some pizza, so we're loading up now. Gonna head to a local spot, finish up our evening over there. Had some pizza for dinner. I didn't film that because we were just wanting to relax a little bit. But we're back in our room, ready for the home stretch tomorrow. I don't think we're gonna get bed bugs based on our assessment. So looking forward to hopefully getting a decent night's sleep and then hitting the road one last time. We were up in our Motel 6. Whew, let's not do that. We're all much more rested. After the night of camping we had, I think we all definitely needed the catch up. So we're gonna probably walk over to Del Taco, get some breakfast tacos, and then plan to start heading towards Vegas. What's up? Walk around, walk around. What in the world? Around we go. Double strawberry poppers, sweet. I want that. Strawberry lemonade with boba. Oh no. What time do they open? 8 o'clock probably.
8, let's see. 8 a.m. What time is it?
20 till 8.
Oh man.
Wait, I guess. Check out this awesome sign. I don't think you're supposed to do that.
Let's see.
back at Roy's, backtracking now. Got some candy, some Gatorade. Looks like they're still doing some construction. This place reminds me a lot of that Wes Anderson movie. I can't remember the name of it. It's one of his latest ones. Where it's about in the middle of the desert. Kids are doing a science project. I can't remember the exact name of it. But, I mean, check this place out. I didn't show this before. I mean, how cool is that? It's so retro. Looks like maybe there's an old bar in the back, telephone, piano over here in the corner, and of course all the little rooms. Some old cars back there. Definitely Wes Anderson feel.